Ever felt like you need to slip into your customer's shoes without actually borrowing their shoes? I mean, let's be honest, some of those online shopping problems are baffling. Welcome to the Shop as a Customer plugin for WooCommerce, your secret weapon for understanding and assisting your customers like never before. Hey, my name is Jeff and welcome to Sleekr Digital. This awesome plugin lets you seamlessly switch between your admin view and any customer account. Think of it as instant customer empathy. You can manage their orders, tweak their profiles, and even place orders for them. Basically, it's like having a VIP pass to their entire shopping experience, and all it takes are a few clicks. This is a game changer for troubleshooting issues lightning fast. No more endless email chains trying to decipher what went wrong. Now you can see it for yourself. Don't worry, it's not complicated. There are just two main ways to switch. From the WooCommerce back office or right from your admin profile menu. Easy peasy. Over the next 5 lessons, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from installation and configuration to best practices and ninja-level customization. Get ready to transform your customer support and boost your sales with the Shop as a Customer plugin. Let's dive in.